sa Comedy Island, all of us are playing ourselves. Yun yung idea niya. It's like, pero we have a narrative story na medyo fantasy. So, ang what if niya is, what if each celebrities or influencers ay napunta sa isang kakaibang dimensyon o ibang mundo. Pinagsama-sama. Kaya pag nakita nyo yung teaser trailer, especially with Kaloy, with Carlo, parang nakita kami sa beach, kaya, oh, Kaloy! Oh, Gerald! Ganun yung introduction. And then, towards the whole show kasi is parang mag-adapt kami sa situation sa buong island kung saan napunta.
So yung real name nyo yung...
Real name. Real name talaga. Like, real name talaga. Walang ano. As Kai, as Gerald, as Kaloy, as Blight. Si Blight nga, Blight talaga, hindi Andrea. Blight talaga yung pangalan. So, as ourselves.
How was it working with them? Anong slides pa?
Nung una, kasi there's a strict NDA when we were doing before we did the show, even during the show. Tapos nung nalaman ko yung casting, meron akong parang anong show to? Kasi magkakaiba eh. Ang title kasi is Comedy Island. So apparently, if I'm in, alam ko na yung gagawin ko, 'di ba? Pero having other cast, like lalo na si Kaloy, tsaka si Blay, so mayroon akong anong mangyayari. Wala talaga akong idea because it's a very, parang bagong concept talaga siya. So, working with them, buti na lang magkakaibigan kami. So may mga konting, unang-una magkita-kita kami, airport pa lang, or actually paglapag namin sa hotel, anong gagawin natin? Ganon kagad yung idea. So, we don't have an idea actually. I believe the script, I think, natanggap ko, I think a day prior or 2 days prior because of the NDA. So, pagdating doon, nalaman namin, okay, ganito pala yung setup. Sobrang bago.
So,
in-expect ko well, una sa lahat, alam ko kasi yung improv comedy. So with that, medyo semi-reality show and semi-scripted. So if it's reality contest, so meron akong, may edge ako. Kasi improv comedy. Kasi sanay ako. Yun yung mas, even bago ako maging artista, sa theater kasi, mas branded ako sa improv comedy. So, sabi ko, okay to, sige. Tapos, wala akong in-expect masyado. Ang alam ko lang na island setting with this amazing cast. Pero pagdating doon, I realize, napakalaki ng production. I think it's the biggest production na pinagkatrabahuan ko sa career ko. Sana hindi itong huli.